Blessed Sunday to you all. Thank you once again for supporting me. Welcome back to my channel. Tingotenda Mwari nechipo cheupenyu pazuva ranhasi. Nhasi ndoda kutaura netopic I want to talk about anger. Yes, you heard me right, anger. Personally, I fought anger for the greater part of my life. Anger is a spirit, isina kunaka. Ndinogona kungobatsira nawo nhasi kuti tione kuti if there is someone out there who is suffering from this spirit, anozvigona sei, right? Anger inokonzeresa negative energy. The moment you have negative energy, it means kuti waku-attract negative energy. Also, it brings sickness. Ukambonzwa vanhu vanenge vachiti ndinoita ma-acids, ndinoita chii, some of it is anger that causes that. Inoblock my blessings. The moment you are negative energy, there is no way you are going to attract zvakanaka. You will attract zvakaipa, right? It brings untold suffering to your loved ones. Mhuri dzakawanda dzaparara nenyaya yeanger. When you have anger, it's like you are at war with yourself. So guys, you need to take it easy. In it was not easy. Ndikunde, ndikonge, enter, anger. It was difficult. But ndoda kutenda Mwari akandikundisa kuti ndigone kukunda anger. Chinoitika ndechekuti izvo, in life there are some things that we can't change. Inini ndine bitterness foot. Bitterness about maybe the way I was brought up, But also sometimes we forget that everything happens for a reason. You need to thank God in everything that happens kwauri. Chatinongoita ndechekuti chinhu chikaitika kwatiri tinongofokasa nekuipa kwacho. Chinhu chese chinoitika pauri chine zvachakanakira. So pane zvimwe futi zvinhu zvawasingagone kuchinja zvakaitika mulife mako kumashure. You can't go back and fix those things. You have to move on. You have to forgive. Makambonotice here kuti if you slowly forgive, zvechokwadi chaizvo wanyatsoregerera munhu, unonzwa kurerukirwa pamwoyo wako just because of forgiving. So you need to forgive. You need to accept my situations, even people. Pane vamwe vanhu vanouya mulife medu vanotanga vanonzi vada kukonzeresa. You can't change those people. That's who they are. You need to treat them the way they are, because there's no way you want people to think the way you think. Takazvarwa takasiyana mabereki. So you need to accept people nezvavari kuti aiwa, you know what, ndozvandirigona kuvahandla handiti. That will bring peace kwauri. And also pray. You need to pray. I want to thank God akandikundisa. Maybe nhasi ndinogona kusiya verse rekuti muerenge James chapter 1 verse 19 to 21. I think this verse inogona kukubatsirawo if you are fighting anger. So guys, take it easy. Let go. Forgive. Move on. This life that we live is very short. So let's make the best out of it. Let's enjoy life. Let's live in the now. Let's not worry about things that we can't change. Also, let's focus on what we have. Sometimes tinotarisa zvatisina zvokustressa and yet utori nezvakawanda zvakanaka zvauinazvo. So the other way of doing that is focus on your blessings. Focus on the good things than the bad things. That will help you overcome anger. Thank you so much for your time. I'll repeat that verse again. James chapter 1 verse 19 to 21. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you. Whoever is fighting anger, may you win in Jesus' name. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next Sunday. God bless.